What's up, you guys? It's been a while since I posted a video, and we'll get into that later as to why. But now we are 6 subscribers away from hitting 300. So everyone who's been subscribing, liking the videos, watching the videos, commenting, thank you all so much. I appreciate that so much. So yeah, we're 6 subscribers away from 300. Let's see if we can hit that by the 31st. You guys saw my latest post on Instagram, which said big changes coming to the Integra soon. I wasn't lying, y'all. I'm pretty excited. Oh, story time. Okay, so I was like, I got up this morning, I was like, yo, let's go to McDonald's, right? A spider ran out of my cup holder, ran up the center console, and went right in the boot where the e-brake goes. I lost my leg. It took everything I had in me not to run out of my car at the stoplight, yo. It was a big spider, so I just stuffed the shirt down in there and hopefully he didn't come out. It was the most nerve-wracking ride home ever. What else, y'all? Yeah, no, the Integra, you guys might hate it, you guys might love it. I know y'all been waiting, and I've been waiting to show everyone. I was just gonna wait I wanted to show everyone, but first I was like, I'm gonna reveal it to my YouTube family first, and then I'll post it on Instagram. But these new wheels, I didn't expect them to be this wide. So what happened was I sold my GT3s, and then I got some Steelies, and old Steelies were bent. They were bent. So I bought the first cheap set of wheels that I could find, and that's the ones that are on the car. And the car got a whole bunch of goodies. So I don't know what the weather is like where y'all live, but it's October out here and it is warm. One of the newest parts I got for the car was a new hood. So there it is, y'all. It is a carbon fiber hood. I got it for $100, dude. Y'all can pick up these hoods for so cheap, and it's real carbon fiber. The only downside is obviously it has these little like mess ups here and mess ups on the hood pins, but besides that, yo, it is a functional hood. So to all y'all that have been commenting, calling my hood rice, check out this picture right here. So y'all see, so all the hot air goes right in through there, comes right out there. Y'all, if y'all thought I was playing about that whole spider thing, yo, so he ran up inside there, I plugged it in, and boom. Let's check out the wheels, y'all. I mean, let's check them out, man. There it is. So these are or I don't even know the road. I don't even know what brand these are. But I can have to say Avid 1. I don't know if they're Avid 1, but these are DR20s. 15 by 8. I really want to get some 16-inch wheels, but I want to go for a track wheel, so like Rotogrids, MSR, or something else. But currently, this is the way it sits. Yo, what y'all think? Personally, I like the way it looks, but I'm not trying to be low. Yo, there's more though. So I don't know, you guys. Let me know what y'all think. But I like the way it looks, but I'm trying to go for tracks. So, but I guess meanwhile, until I get different wheels, your boy can be kind of stancy. I don't know. It looks clean though. It looks clean. I like it. No, I got one more thing for you guys. One more thing. All right. So I've owned the Integra for about 5 years, and your boy kind of want to be fast. So I'm gonna be tracking the car. I kind of want to be faster now. So in preparation for that, I made a big step forward, and I went ahead and I bought something that's gonna make me fast. My boy Rob, you guys don't know him. It's his Instagram is it, what is it? Yo, he helped me with the whole purchasing part and like what I need for it and like everything. Yeah, it's _DC4Rob. Follow him. That's my homie. He was on a download through the whole process of me getting this. All right, so ooh, yo, I cleaned up in here. That's where I keep all my tools. Y'all see it? I'm trying to light for y'all. So this is the head that I picked up. So I got it for pretty cheap because it was pretty bare. Like when I say this head was bare, it didn't even have valve cover, it didn't have cam gears, it didn't have a whole bunch of stuff, but it was missing all these studs right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but 2 thread. This one needs to be rethreaded, and this one needs to be tapped and rethreaded as well and drilled out. But yeah, I already got the valve cover gasket for it. It's a brand new valve cover gasket. Got all this, brand new hardware. Cam seals. Alright, let me get out of here, man. Yo, I just dead ass cracked my head on this. I don't like that so much. So, let's get to it. Am I going LS VTech? Maybe. Whichever block I could find for a decent price and in good condition is the route I'm gonna go with my next build. So my ideal build is I want to pick up a B18B block, get some P30 pistons, which is the B16 pistons, get new piston rings, and then I want to build the head a little bit. That's my goal. But if I find a cheap B16, I'll just buy the B16 block, put it together, and just have a B16. But yeah, man, that's the big news. Hopefully you guys are as excited for this build series as I am, because this is gonna be my first time like essentially building a motor. So we'll see how it's gonna go. So yeah, I guess this video was just more like an introduction to me coming back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all enjoyed the video, man, hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe. Tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe to your boy. Yeah, man, thanks to all of you guys who have been supporting me, man. I appreciate it, yo. Every sub counts, man. I appreciate y'all. But yeah, man, it's been your boy Rio. Until the next video, which there will be a next video within the week. But yeah, man, until next time, it's been your boy Rio. Peace.